This lecture is going to cover the process of creating a 3D map application in JavaScript. By this way, we don't need to rely on the data source from ArcGIS Online. We will gain more flexibility to design 3D map UI and components, and we can add our own feature layers later. The trade-off is that we need to do more coding. 3D web map creation from ArcGIS Online is awesome. However, you have to store everything there. To start, open my text editor. Open a new document. Same as the previous lecture, I prefer to copy and paste code from the lecture resources file. So let's go to my lecture resources file and copy this setting. Here I set up a standard HTML document. I save the file to desktop with the name of the file, my basemap 3D, and save it. Then I will add links to load ArcGIS API below the title text. Then I will add the title. Oops. It's my basemap 3D. Okay, next I will add body text and div text. Put them here. I make the div ID is map1. Then I will add a set of script tags with code for loading Esri API modules. I add these two standard modules first. Esri map module is to ensure to create a map. I have explained you another module dojo DOM ready already. So next I need to add a scene view module and its function. Let me just copy the code here. Next, I will create a map object and set the map basemap. Here, I set the basemap as National Geographic basemap. And next I will add a scene view variable. Here, I initialize a scene view variable. I set two properties for it. I make the container referring to the div map1 on the map, and I make the map property to map. That is a base map. And finally, I need to add other style parameters for the div. I go back to the lecture resources file, and I will copy the code here. Oops, I need to make it set 2 times. And here. Okay. Now looks like everything's good to go. Let me save the file and find the file on the desktop and open it with a browser. Excellent. Great. Now you can open a basemap in 3D. See you next lecture.